In this video, I will show you how to use text replacement on iPhone. Set up a text replacement you can use to enter words or phrases by tapping by just a few characters. While tapping a text field, touch and hold to the next keyboard emoji key or the switch keyboard key. Tap keyboard settings, the first option. Then tap text replacement. Tap the add button at the top right corner is a plus sign. Type the phrase in the phrases field and the text shortcut you want to use for it the shortcut field. And tap save and go to notes. Type ILU. Right now, I love you. Tap I love you.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications.